Welcome to Shambala Oceanside retreat in Bali. Shambala is a heaven on earth on the island of the gods on Bali. We are grateful to have you visit us in the north of Bali, where you can enjoy the ocean and nature, as Shambala is a place where you can enjoy a slower pace of life. We hope you've enjoyed our warm welcome with our flower shower. At Shambala, you can experience dolphin and sunrise tours. You can enjoy the beautiful, colorful fish in our great reef right in front of Shambala. You can explore the waterfalls, hot springs, and temples that are close to Shambala. And you can practice yoga with our very own Sumane, our yoga teacher. And you can indulge in our affordable massages and a variety of our healing wellness treatments. All these activities help you rejuvenate and recuperate. At Shambala, we are committed to offering you a clean environment. Therefore, we offer little Wi-Fi, no alcohol, no drugs, and no smoking. We simply want to offer you clean living and everything for your health. Let our Shambala team take care of your needs from beginning to end. Enjoy the beautiful gardens, which the gardeners care for. Enjoy the colorful rooms where our housekeeping staff cares for you. And enjoy the luscious vegetarian meals at our restaurant that our cooks prepare for you. If you have any needs, please communicate to our amazing staff at our office or anywhere you find them, and they will help you. Important information coming up. We would like to share some important information with you about your stay at Shambala, so please pay close attention. Please do read the instruction booklet in your room. It's full of very important information. And please read the wooden sign at your door. It equally has very valuable information for you. And now some information about our restaurant and our food. Our restaurant as well as our office are located by the ocean and easy to find. Come and sit here, gaze into the open vistas while you enjoy your food and some Wi-Fi. We offer 100% vegetarian food, and many of our dishes are vegan or even raw on request. Please note that we do not offer any alcohol at Shambala, but we do offer many kinds of fresh vegetable and fruit juices for you and your health and our detox programs. We also don't offer any garlic based on the Ayurvedic principles to keep your inner sight open. If you have any allergies, please let us know and we will take care of you. And for your health, our retreat center is smoke-free. About the meals in our restaurant. We offer 3 buffet-style meals per day when we have more than 6 guests. And if we have less than 6 guests, we ask you to order a la carte. A little word about our drinking water. For your health and well-being, we offer the renowned Terra water filters in each room as well as at the restaurant and in the yoga hall. These filters clean our well water down to 0.02 microns to provide you with clean water free of charge. At the restaurant, we also offer hot water and herbal teas around the clock, 24/7. A word about Wi-Fi. We offer free Wi-Fi to all our guests. You can access our public Wi-Fi for your simple communication needs at our restaurant and at the yoga hall. If you need your own modem, please ask our office staff for assistance. You will find the password at the restaurant right here on this whiteboard. And as we mentioned, you can access the free Wi-Fi at the yoga hall. If you need to work and require a higher volume of data, you can rent a private modem. A word about our rooms at Shambala. Enjoy the colorful rooms, and each room has a different color theme. At night, we suggest that you use the mosquito nets. We suggest to secure the mosquito nets with extra clothespins, which you will find in the drawer in your nightstand. That is also where you will find earplugs as well. A word about food in your room. This is very important information. Please store all food items as well as medicine in the small refrigerators which we provide you. You will find the small fridge in your room. Using it will ensure that you help keep unwanted visitors out. A word about the safety box. For your convenience, we have provided each room with a safety box to keep your money, passports, and valuables safe. We are located right on a public beach. Therefore, we suggest that you keep your rooms locked when you're out, especially if the room is located right by the ocean. Please help us save electricity by turning off the fans and the lights when you leave the room. And be considerate and play music at a low volume so as to not disturb others. Each room is provided with an MP3 player and music we think you will love. You can also listen to the same music on the Spotify playlist called Bali Shambala playlist. And for those that have to, please note that we do not permit any smoking on the premises of Shambala, as humid air transport smells far and wide. However, if you need to smoke, please go to the far northwest corner of our property right by the fishermen's boats. A word about our septic system and our toilets. Shambala uses only septic systems. Therefore, kindly help us out. Please only use the water sprayers and do not place any toilet paper in the toilet. If you need to use toilet paper, please place the toilet paper only in the waste basket. And after using the sprayer hose, please dry off your you-know-what with the provided dry washcloth. For women now, we provide paper bags to dispose of female hygiene items. Please use them. Thank you for your cooperation. Do you want fresh towels? A word about towels. As you already know, you can help us save resources. If you wish to have a new towel, please place your towel on the floor or in the laundry basket, and we will provide you with a fresh towel. And please remember to never leave any towels or any other item on the walkway or verandas close to the beach. It's considered public property. A word about our laundry service. For your convenience, we offer laundry service for a nominal fee. Feel free to make use of the service and enjoy your vacation. When you wish to have some of your clothing washed, please fill out the laundry sheet and place your item in the laundry basket. Our housekeeping staff will pick up your laundry and return it usually within a day. A word about help, maintenance, and assistance. If something is amiss, please tell our staff right away at the office. Our guest service manager or any of our staff will help you right away. We will get it fixed ASAP. Just some provisionary heads up. Our gas water heaters can be sensitive, but they do work. Truthfully, sometimes the water may not get hot. It's because the handle might be working in reverse. Life in Bali is full of adventures. Gus, our maintenance genius, will give his attention to you right away. And now about our security staff. Our nighttime security man is Madi Suchahaya. Please note the numbers that we've given you at check-in, or which you will find also noted on the wooden planks on your doors. If there were to ever be an extreme emergency, we will ring the gong continuously. At that point, you would meet our staff at the pool, which serves as our assembly point. We are subscribed to an early tsunami warning system, so you can relax and let us do the watching. A word about making payments at Shambala. If you have purchased items at our boutique, gotten wellness treatments at our spa, or have ordered extra food at the restaurant, you can charge these items to your room during your stay. At the time of checkout, you can pay for your extra charges with your credit card or cash at our office at the restaurant. We accept Visa, MasterCard, or Wise credit cards. And a word about amazing excursions in the north of Bali. We gladly assist you in finding transportation for your pickups, drop-offs, or your day trips. There are great waterfalls in the North Bali region. You can go on a dolphin or sunrise boat trip with our fishermen. There are temples, there are hot springs, and there is colorful snorkeling right in front of Shambala. Bali is full of wonders, culture, and miracles. Be sure to enjoy them during your stay with us. We recommend Parama tours as they are insured and licensed. Please pay all your drivers directly for your transportation services, and do take time to explore and enjoy Bali. We hope that your stay at Shambala will fill your heart. Though you may have to leave Shambala to return to your home, we hope that you will always carry a piece of our heaven on earth from Shambala with you, as well as many beautiful memories from Shambala Oceanside retreat in Bali. We love and loved having you at Shambala, and we hope to see you again.